Hi there everybody, welcome back to another video for copy and paste ads as simple as it gets. My name's Marybeth Angelelli and we're going to be doing another quick guided overview tour of the back office of this wonderful little system that I've been utilizing with great success and great results for a long time now. I want to share it with you because the bottom line is it just works. And it's really simple. This is something anybody can use to generate some nice extra income from the comfort of their own home or really from the comfort of anywhere. As long as you have a smartphone, a laptop, a computer, Wi-Fi connection, you can work this business by simply copying, pasting, posting for profit from anywhere in the world. And all of your resources, tools, information, step-by-step guided video training tutorials is all provided and accessible quite easily through your back office. So without further ado, let's get into the good stuff. As soon as you join, you'll simply pay a one-time $100. It's direct member to member. And for your convenience, I do accept all major credit and debit cards, as well as Cash App and Venmo, and a one-time $29 admin fee. So all in, it is only $129. No additional fees. Monthly expenses, none of that, okay? Now, of course, if you do want to utilize some paid marketing, those options are available and accessible to you as well. You have many free places that you can go and copy, paste, and post. And then there's a multitude of great low-cost paid resources as well. So you have lots of choices. And this is something that you can build and grow and scale up over time into a really nice online business for yourself in 2024 and beyond. So you'll come back here, you'll log in, you'll check for your welcome email. You'll review all of this wonderful information, review everything in its entirety. Your link will be here, your member ID, your username, all that good stuff, okay? And then your different bonus traffic options. You definitely want to watch the announcements video because that is the latest and greatest on everything that's going on and all the updates, how to get your bonus ad credits and all that good stuff to help give you a jump start in starting your business, okay? Here's a wonderful little compensation plan video to definitely check out. And of course, you want to watch this video, and here is other options. If you want to consider some additional income streams, you would go here. Done for you email campaigns and traffic is here. Optional banner ads, if you're interested in that, you simply click here. This is where you can view all of your website statistics, so you know how your leads are coming in and how your campaigns are doing for you. And then here's your new member training and member resources right here, okay? Lots of top sites to post daily to right here. In addition, and they give you a lot of options and resources. So as soon as you come back here, you're going to want to click on Start Here, and you're going to want to go ahead and select how you want to get paid and complete your profile and all that good stuff. Check out the settings, and then go to your new members training, okay? Your new members training. Everything's going to populate down to your far left. This is the 8 simple steps that you'll go in to get started, to get your system up and running and successfully complete your training. You'll want to watch this little video here. It's a short little video that shows you how to select your payment processors, all your different choices to help you to collect your payments of $100 over and over again. Okay, you just want to review, follow the instructions, continue to the next step. Everything is here. You set up your payment processors in step 1. You go to step 2 after you've completed step 1 and complete your profile. Here's all of your wonderful sample ads in step 3, okay? And you can review these. These are short sample ads, more detailed sample ads, so a nice variety to pick and choose from, okay? Top places to post your ads in step 4. They give you all kind of places to register, create free accounts, and start posting. Okay, here's a little great training tutorial video that's going to walk you through on how to post these free ads on a multitude of sites. So be sure and watch that. Okay, done for you traffic. And step number 5, there's a great rotator option. You'll just review everything in full in its entirety. Check out this website. If you need to contact support, there's the support website to do so, to support a ticket. Okay, if you ever need anything, that's where you do that, and all the instructions are provided. Okay, how to post your ads. There's another great tutorial. This is a great resource, Craigslist. You can get lots of exposure and momentum and, lead flow coming through your Craigslist. Great training. All the different high traffic cities to use, the state capitals, all that good stuff, your instructions. And yeah, everything is here. Full Craigslist instructions, resources, and tutorials. And this is a highly recommended site to definitely tap into and utilize for great results. Okay. And then we have step number 7, your members area training. You're going to definitely want to watch this video. It's a great overview. It's going to take you by the hand. It's going to walk you through getting set up successfully. Okay. So definitely watch your training video here. It's about 17 minutes long. I promise you it's worth every single minute of your time. Okay, to ensure that you're successful. And then step 8, access your bonus credits. So this is really great value. Lots of great things here that you can have fun with and use to build a successful online business for yourself with copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets. So you want to go through steps 1 through 8, the tutorial videos, okay? And then complete your profile and decide how you wish to get paid right here, okay? Here's going to be all your leads and contacts. Here's all your done-for-you capture pages to pick and choose from, okay? You just simply click on capture pages. They're all ready to go. These work like a charm. All you do is simply make this your primary, and you could pick any one of these. They all do quite well. I've utilized many of these, okay, since I've been doing this for the last couple of years. And then you make this your redirect. This is your sales page. It's going to be out there with a short, simple video presentation, explainer video doing your telling, selling, and explaining 24/7 around the clock. It does a great job. Okay, this is a very automated, fully functional system. It has a built-in autoresponder with pre-written follow-up emails that'll go out for you on your behalf for an extended period of time. If you want to integrate a third-party resource like Aweber or GetResponse, you have the ability and opportunity to do that as well. So lots of great pickings, lots of great choices. Okay, so that's all your pages. You can track your team here. Check out the tools for your statistics. You can see how everything is doing, all your campaigns, your ad tracking, your autoresponder emails, your iSpin Auto Builder, access to that for optional advertising resources, and a multitude of sample ads, okay, to help you. And you can use these. These are email ads. You can send these out, as single emails or upload them into your autoresponder. Okay, these work great, by the way. And here's all your resources. The Facebook group for paid members, additional resources and training, Craigslist ads, okay, shows you more information, more training on how to use Craigslist the right way so you can have success with it, and then top 100 places to post. So there's so many resources to utilize and select from. You're going to have lots of free resources. You're going to have equally so lots of great low-cost paid resources. So once you get this going and you get yourself into profit mode and you have these $100 payments like I do now consistently coming in all week long, folks, you can reinvest a little bit into paid marketing and build your business quicker and scale up faster, okay? And that's what you want to work up to so that you can consistently have a nice, predictable income stream and start profiting, keeping 100% of $100 bills, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you. Okay, we have lots of resources here, sample ads, your Craigslist posting tips and cities, lots of additional places to advertise, and optional banner ads. Here's your traffic. You can go to a place called Herculist, $20. These little ads work like a charm. Udemy, solo ads. You can start with a 100-click campaign for right around $40. And all you do for Herculist and Udemy, just provide the advertiser with the link to your website and they will advertise for you on your behalf. It doesn't get any easier, okay? So once you reach that place, folks, in your business, then you can do some paid marketing and then you're going to have more free time. to go out there and enjoy whatever you want to do. So that is the benefit of using these two resources. And then you're going to have some optional texting blast software, okay? You have great bonuses here that you can check out, different ways to get paid. Now, me personally, I take all major credit and debit cards through my merchant account, authorized.net. I also accept Venmo and Cash App. We also have Stripe, Square, Bitcoin, Zelle, and then if you have a preferred payment method or methods, you just go into manual and you type out your instructions. It's really easy. Okay, so as you can see, everything is here. You start here, you complete your profile, your payment methods, and then you also go here to your training and you go in sequence all the module steps 1 through 5 to get set up. Okay, and then you check your leads here and here. Here's your capture pages, your sales page. Pick the one that you want and then make that your primary, and then click on the sales video, make it your redirect. Really easy, and everything's going to be automatically connected and ready to go for you to start copying, pasting, posting for profits. It's a fun business, folks. It's simple. Honestly, it's as simple as it gets. Something anybody can do. Everything you need is back here. This takes all the guesswork out of the equation, okay? All your tools, your tracking, all your autoresponder emails, sample ads, more resources here, more sample ads here, more traffic options, bonuses, how to get paid, and then last but not least, here is the leaderboard, and here I am still running strong at the top. This is me right here, and I just recently had 4 new members sign up in the past couple of days, so this brought me another $400, folks. You know, a great little side hustle and a way that you can increase your cash flow daily, weekly, and monthly. I'd absolutely love to help you to get started today. It's super simple. It's super affordable. This is something anybody can do. Pick up a side hustle and increase your cash flow and make extra income and have a fun summer, okay? And rest of the year. So what I want you to do now, folks, you're going to go over to easydaily100.com. This is my website, okay? easydaily100.com. And you're about to discover a simple way to start getting paid. $100 payments over and over again. All you do is give me a good valid email address here. Please show me more, and you'll opt in. You'll look for my first email. It's going to have my direct link where you can go and watch that video and get started. Okay? So again, easydaily100.com. Any questions? Everything's pretty self-explanatory, pretty basic, pretty easy, but feel free to text or call me. My personal cell is in the description along with my website. You may need to type it into your browser, easydaily100.com, 330-787-1795. With that being said, I'd love nothing more than to help you get started today. Welcome to Copy and Paste Ads in Advance to my team, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside very, very soon. We've got a great, awesome, active Facebook group and community for all paid members, so I hope I see you there, okay? You know how to reach me? Go to the description. Personal sale will be listed, okay? And then easydaily100.com. Again, you may need to type it into your browser. You'll come here, and you're going to give me a good valid email address. Show me more. Go and watch the short sales presentation. Get all the details. Let's get you going today. $100 plus $29. You're all in, and you can start having fun and start collecting those awesome, fun, exciting $100 bills all week long. Thank you so much. See you on the inside. Bye for now.